Today, I'll show you how to upload a zip file to AWS Lambda. Whether you're updating an existing function or deploying something new, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Lambda function on the AWS Management Console. If you're not already familiar with AWS Lambda, it's a serverless computing service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. It's particularly useful for applications that need to scale automatically. Once you're on the desired Lambda function page, scroll down until you see the Code tab section. This is where you can view and edit the code that your Lambda function runs. The layout view here is intuitive, making it easier for you to manage your function's code. As you look to the right side of the code editor workspace, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Upload From. This menu is your gateway to uploading code in different formats, including a zip file. The ability to upload a zip file is particularly helpful if you have a package of code and dependencies that you've prepared locally and want to deploy all at once. Click on the Upload From drop-down menu, and from the list of options that appears, select Zip File. This tells AWS Lambda that you're ready to upload a compressed file that contains all the necessary code and resources for your function. After selecting .zip file, a configuration dialog box will pop up. This is your window to upload the zip file from your local machine. Click the Upload button you see in this dialog box. Now, navigate through your computer's directories to find the zip file you've compiled. It's important that this file contains everything your function needs to run properly in AWS Lambda. If your zip file is missing dependencies or configuration files, your function might not work as expected. Once you've selected the correct zip file, confirm your choice by clicking Open or Select, depending on your operating system. Now the file is queued for upload to AWS Lambda. But there's one more crucial step before your new code is live. Remember to click Save after the upload is complete. This step is essential because it tells AWS Lambda to commit the changes you've just made. If you forget to save, your new code won't be deployed and you'll still be running the previous version. So always double check that you've saved your work. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded a zip file to AWS Lambda. This process makes it easy to update your functions with new code, ensuring that your applications can continue running smoothly and efficiently. Keep in mind that whenever you're working with AWS Lambda, it's a good practice to test your function after making changes to ensure everything is working as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more AWS tips and tricks. Happy coding!